Hello everyone, we are from Group 5. First of all, let we introduce ourselves to you. My name is Farah Nur Aziza Ilhamia. My NPM is 20211450027 and 6.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Abi Andrian, and my NPM is 2021145000265.
My name is Anjas Ramadan. My NPM is 202114500297.
My name is Aisyah Salsabila Ismail. My NPM is 202114500275.
My name is Erwi Gunasadi, NPM 202114500226X.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you know Gojek? Yeah, we all must have used Gojek transportation. But do you know all about Gojek? In this time, we want to presenting about company profile of Gojek. First, I want to presenting about the history of Gojek. The name Gojek comes from the term ojek or motorbike taxis, commonly found throughout Indonesia. It was founded in 2010 with 20 motorbike drivers. Gojek app was launched in January 2015, and in less than 2 years, the app racked up nearly 30 million downloads. Gojek has partnered with Singapore's biggest bank, DBS. Gojek was CEO founded by Nadiem Makarim and Michael Angelo Moran. Nadiem, a native Indonesian, holds degree from Brown University and Harvard Business School. He worked at McKinsey and CEO Consulting for 3 years before starting Gojek from a tiny call center with only 20 ojek drivers, who later become recruiters. As a loyal Ojek user, Nadim discovered that Ojek drivers spend most of their time waiting for customer, while customer was time walking around looking for an available Ojek. Gojek was built to solve this problem by providing a platform where drivers and riders can connect efficiently and allowing those drivers to improve their income. The other CEO founder and longtime high school friend, Michael Angelo Moran, aside from serving as the company brand director, is also known for designing the company first iconic logo like this and branding the whole company. As of May 2018, the app offers 18 services, with two upcoming new services in the online content business, which makes for a total of 20 on-demand services under one platform. Being an Indonesian-run startup play to Gojek's advantage in navigating the local regulatory environment, as well as understanding the local market. This enables to bundle features into each app that better suits both local drivers and local consumers. Gojek recruited 100 new graduates in engineering domain from India in 2017. In 2020, the company launched GoStore, a solution that helps local micro, small, and medium-sized enterprise set up online store with ease. PT Gojek Indonesia, as Gojek, is an Indonesian on-demand multi-services platform and digital payment technology group based in Jakarta. Gojek was first established in Indonesia in 2009 as a call center to connect consumers to courier, delivery, and two-wheel ride-hailing services. Gojek launched its application in 2015 with only four services: GoRide, GoSend, GoShop, and GoFood. Valued at 10 billion US dollar today, Gojek has transformed into a super app, providing more than 20 services. Gojek operates in 5 countries: Indonesia, Vietnam, Singapore, Thailand, and Philippines. Okay guys, that's all about the history of Gojek. The next one is Vision and Mission Gojek Company.
Vision help from the transportation structure in Indonesia. Profit conference for the community in carrying out daily works and sending documents, daily shopping, asynchronous facilities, and contribution up to the wear of motorcycle taxi driver in Jakarta and Indonesia in the future. Mission 1. Making PT Gojek Indonesia the best transportation service in serving the needs of the Indonesia people. 2. Making PT Gojek Indonesia reference for implementing complex and good governance of transportation structure using technological phases. 3. Increase hours and responsibility for the environment and social. 4. Profit excellent service and value add solution to customer. Thank you.
97. Let me tell you about organization structure of Gojek. Gojek's board of directors is responsible for the management and operation of the company. Composition of the board of directors: the CEO and founder of Gojek, Nadiem Makarim, sits on the board of directors with 6 older people, most of whom are clothes. In addition to Nadiem, members of the board of directors include Gojek Chief Information Officer Kevin Louis. The board of directors is also filled by Gojek President Director Andre Solistio. Composition of the board of commissioners, including President Director of Astra International Prijono Sugiarto, Director of Toba Bara Pandu Patria Sjahir.
In this part, I would like to explain about Gojek product. Gojek have a 5 category of product with a total of more than 20 services. First is a transport and logistics. In this category, Gojek have a 5 services. First is GoRide. It provides motorcycle taxi ride hailing. This service allows users to hire one of the millions of Gojek drivers to their current location and then get dropped off at the site of their choice. The next is GoCar. GoCar is GoRide but for cars. This service is Gojek version of Uber and it functions in the same way as a GoRide. Number 3 is GoZen. It provides similar service as a GoRide, but the driver takes package instead of passenger. Number 4 is GoBox. It is similar to GoZen for moving large items using pickup trucks, single axle trucks, and single axle box trucks. The last is GoBluebird. This service enables customers to request Bluebird taxi in the app. Unlike fixed fare that GoCar charges, it is a metered taxi service. The next category is payment. In this category, Gojek have 7 services. First is GoPay. GoPay is all-in-one digital wallet. From fast transaction for all Gojek service and hundreds of business partners to sending or receiving money easily. The next is GoTagihan. It's a service to pay water bills, BPJS, gas, internet, electricity, cable TV until tax on GoTagihan. Your billing number can be saved automatically, no QoS, and easy to use. After that is GoPayLater. GoPayLater is a credit-like feature where you can pay off your bills at the end of the month. Number 4 is GoGive. It's a service to give donation for chosen trusted NGO beneficiaries, so that you can make many donation campaigns. Next is GoSure. It's a service to buy insurance products at affordable price, easy and instant submission, and claim process in one application. The next is GoInvestasi. It's a service to build that habit of saving and invest. Gojek works with Peluang Emas Sejahtera, which is licensed under Bapeti and guaranteed by KBI. The last is GoCorp. It's a service that makes it easy for companies to provide employee transportation facilities through the Gojek application that can be managed with a use link. The next category is food and shopping. In this category, Gojek have a four service. First is GoFood. GoFood is an instant food delivery service with more than 250,000 merchants all over Indonesia. The next is GoMart. GoMart is Gojek grocery delivery service. GoMart partners include Alfamart, Western, Lotte Mart, The Food Hall, and others. The next is GoMed. GoMed is application-based medicine delivery service, partnering with Halodoc on its Apotek Antar Fitur. The last is GoShop. GoShop is similar to GoMart. It allows customers to purchase goods from shops that are not listed in GoMart. The next category is entertainment. In this category, Gojek have a tour service, GoPlay and GoTix. GoPlay is a content delivery platform that serves a variety of live streaming content, movies and series. And on GoPlay, you can find a variety of live streaming content ranging from music, games, concert, inspiring talk show, cooking show, quiz with prize, to chatting and have fun with your favorite content creator or artist. Not only watching live streaming from GoPlay, you can also make your own live streaming and be famous. The last category is business. In this category, Gojek have a five services. First is GoBiz. GoBiz is a super app from Gojek dedicated for all types of business in Indonesia, from managing GoFood and in-store orders, accepting GoPay payments, and analyze sales reports. The next is MidTrans. MidTrans is a solution for you as a seller to accept payment online and offline. With 24 payment methods, your customer can choose to pay with e-money, credit or debit cards, direct debit, to in-store cash payment. The next is Mocha. Mocha provides various solutions for offline and online sales needs. Mocha has a POS system for offline store and allows you to build a personal online store via GoStore. After that is GoStore. GoStore is a new platform by Gojek through Mocha to create website and simplify transaction checkout from various online sales channels. The last is Sally. Sally is a keyboard app specially made for online sellers. Sally is packed with features that make your daily operation easily, such as sending invoice, checking shipping costs, tax templating, and much more.
For the next, the following are some of the awards won by Gojek. Gojek ranks number 17 in Fortune 2017 list of 56 companies that changed the world, making it the only company from Southeast Asia to make the list. Next, Gojek ranks number 11 in Fortune 2019. In 2019, Gojek once again made into Fortune's top 50 company that changed the world, and top 10 powerful brand at Brand Asia Award, Brand Loyalty, Media Engagement, and CSR. Next, winner UN Women 2020 Asia Pacific Women Empowerment Principal Award. The last, Global UX Excellence Usaria and Somia CX give rate 1 to GoFood service in the Gojek user-friendly application during the pandemic. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, by the end of our presentation, we hope our explanation can make you know all about Gojek company. Thank you for your attention. We really appreciate having had opportunity to share that. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.